Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this video, we're going to be going over how to drop ship on eBay for $0. In fact, this is probably one of the only business models that require no upfront investment, no upfront cost at all. So if you compare this to the likes of dropshipping on Shopify, where you have to pay for a website, a domain name, advertisement fees, the logos, graphics design, so much upfront cost, you're looking to spend at least $1,000 just even on ad testing straight away. Or compare it to Amazon, where you have to actually pay like $100 just to even have a store up front. This is the best one to start on because you can literally start for $0. $0. There's no additional costs that are necessary to start. In fact, I've sold over $1 million on eBay and I started with $0. I didn't put a single dollar into my account, yet I was printing money on the back end. So, how do you start? As simple as registering an account. Go onto eBay, in the top left, click register, and you've made an account. Don't make a business account, make a personal account. As soon as that's done, you've got yourself an account and you're ready to start selling. You just have to link in your verification, link in your PayPal or bank account or whatever. Once that's done, you're ready to start selling. Now, people will say, do I need an eBay store? Well, what is an eBay store? Well, I'm just going to run through it quickly now with you guys. eBay store subscriptions have 3 packages. You have the basic, featured, and anchored. So they all have 3 different prices. 2 things these guys give you that are beneficial in the long term, but not when you've started. So this isn't something you look into straight away. Why? Because, well, the first thing it gives you is cheaper fees, meaning you're going to be paying less for fees. This isn't useful if you're selling a few items, especially when you started. You're not going to have, 1,000 items listed. So having cheaper fees won't actually help you in the long run. The other one is allowing you to list more items. Again, if you only have a few items up because you just started, what's the point of paying $25 a month just to list 600 items when you're only going to have 40 up? So, as you can see, a basic store allows you to list 600, a feature store allows you to list 1,500, and an anchor store allows you to list 250,000. The fee changes have changed, but I'll see if it's here somewhere. Here it is. So, you've got 6% with basic, 5.4 with featured, and 4.8 on anchor in this category, and it changes per category. So, firstly, a store, not required, meaning you don't have to pay for this. eBay will give you, when you start, 40 free listings, meaning you can sell 40 different products for free. There is no upfront cost. Why? Because you don't need to pay for any websites or anything. You're selling straight on eBay. eBay doesn't have any upfront cost to sell on their platform like Amazon, and you don't need to pay for a store. So you can sell your first item for free. Once you've sold your first item, you'll be paid into your PayPal or bank account, depending on how you choose. And with that money, you pay the retailer and ship the item directly to your customer, and you've now made profit. The money remaining in that PayPal or bank account is profit, pure profit. Meaning, you have made money without having to actually put in any into the business. So this is how I started back in February, and since then I've grown, and now I do buy the anchor store, because yes, I'm paying $550 a month, but the amount of dollars I save when I have lower fees ends up paying for this per month. And because I have more than 40 items listed and I want to have a lot more listed, this allows me to list 250,000. Not that I have that many listed, that's a lot, but that's what I'm trying to say. So if you want to list more items and you want to have cheaper fees because you're selling so many per day, then that's when you can move into buying a store and all these other third-party expenses. But when you start, you do not need to pay a single dollar. Don't fall into any trap. Start for free. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just wanted to explain to you how you can start for free, and this is pretty much how.